Listen to when the popping happens. Noise while the burner or heating elements are operating usually points to sediment. A bang when a faucet or appliance suddenly stops using water suggests something different. Inside a tank-style heater, minerals settle onto the bottom and form a hardened layer. Water trapped beneath that layer becomes extremely hot, creating bubbles that force their way through the sediment. Each escaping bubble can produce a pop or rumble. On an electric heater, mineral scale can also collect around the heating elements and interfere with heat transfer. Either condition can reduce efficiency, slow recovery, and place additional stress on the tank. If the heater is in good condition and has been maintained regularly, flushing it according to the manufacturer's procedure may remove loose sediment. An older tank that has never been flushed, or one showing rust, corrosion, or leakage, should be inspected before its drain valve is opened. Now consider the timing. If the sound is a sharp bang when a washing machine valve closes or a faucet is turned off, it may be water hammer rather than sediment. That pressure shock requires inspection of the plumbing system, not another tank flush. Persistent popping after maintenance can indicate hardened deposits, a scaled heating element, or tank deterioration. Does your heater